Je hebt hier de hoofdlink.
Hi guys, so we're back at the Monolith location, as you can see, and we're recording this today while we hope everyone is going to be watching Portugal against Germany. It starts in about 1 hour time, so we're hoping against France, sorry, and we're hoping that everyone is going to be at home and no one is going to watch us trying to do the video. João is digging right now, and the idea is for us to put the monolith, record, then bring the monolith back, and then we edit the video, and then we put it back again.
Silent because of these people. It's scared that they don't see us.